Fast delivery, incredible quality. Marlin Steel Wire Products LLC is a leading manufacturer of high-performance sheet metal and steel wire forms and baskets, working with a diverse client base since 1968. To meet widely varied needs, we produce and stock standard baskets for fast order fulfillment while offering custom wire basket fabrication services to deliver solutions tailored to your specific requirements for shape, size, material, and basket features or properties. Our custom-made wire baskets will last you for years or even decades, with proper material composition and care, reducing expenses on basket replacements over time. Discover the advantages of custom wire baskets for various industries and learn how Marlin Steel's team of mechanical engineers can help support and streamline your operations by designing, perfecting, and producing high-quality custom baskets for your application. Additionally, Marlin Steel's ISO 9001:2015 and ISO 13485:2016 certifications demonstrate our commitment to quality and regulatory compliance, ensuring that our customers receive products that meet the highest industry standards. Why choose Marlin Steel's custom wire baskets? Companies big and small rely on Marlin Steel for custom metal wire basket solutions. Each of our baskets is engineered for efficiency. We rely on advanced design software, automation, and robotic solutions to streamline production workflows for optimal efficiency. Built to last. Our team uses only high-quality materials and designs when engineering our industrial wire baskets to ensure durability and longevity in your products. Fast and reliable. Marlin Steel provides dependable and swift custom wire basket solutions to meet your deadlines and keep your operations moving. Constructed by dedicated engineers. Our engineering team will collaborate with you to gain an in-depth understanding of your needs to deliver a superior product. Fully customizable. Regardless of shape, size, or feature requirements like handles, hoists, dividers, and lids, we can design baskets tailored to your specific application. We also offer forklift-friendly baskets or thermally resistant ones for applications involving low or high temperatures. Backed by extensive industry expertise. Marlin Steel has more than half a century of multi-market experience adhering to diverse industry standards and regulations. Explore our in-stock wire basket selection. Unmatched metal basket design and engineering capabilities. At Marlin Steel, we take a collaborative approach to design, working closely with your team to develop custom wire baskets that meet your unique requirements. Using sophisticated virtual testing software such as Autodesk to vet basket designs, our degreed engineers eliminate the time-consuming process of making endless prototypes that wouldn't work, saving you time and money. We'll build your wire baskets quickly and with a level of consistency that manual labor simply can't match. Anything you need can be precision manufactured with rapid delivery thanks to the speed, efficiency, and accuracy of our automated fabrication solutions. We incorporate robotics into our wire mesh basket manufacturing process to achieve uniform quality in high-volume production runs. These robots assemble wire forms morning, noon, and night without getting tired. This allows for not only fast production of your baskets, but also ensures that each basket meets your tolerances from the first to the last. Our team also works with such advanced factory automation solutions as wire bending robots and a medium frequency direct current welder generating the best welds in the USA. Wire basket material options. Our team is experienced in working with a range of high-quality materials so that we can provide you with options suited to your wire basket applications. Our selections include stainless steel, grades 304, 316, and 330. Steel, grades 1008 and 1010. Carbon steel, bright basic, low, medium, and high varieties. Galvanized steel, copper, brass, aluminum, other alloyed materials. Metal basket coatings and finishes. When you partner with Marlin Steel for your custom metal baskets, you can select from more than 40 different coating and finishing options to enhance their performance and aesthetics. Our mechanical engineers will help you find the ideal coating or finish for your project, with common examples including natural finish, soft polymers, scratch-resistant hard polymers, electropolish, passivation, stainless steel and steel, coating, Nyloxy, Teflon, Halar, Kynar, powder, and plastic coat, plating, nickel, zinc, chrome, and galvanized plate. Industries and applications of custom wire baskets. Critical industries worldwide depend on Marlin Steel to design and manufacture custom metal baskets to their exact specifications and tolerance requirements. Our versatile metal wire baskets are ideal for numerous applications, including parts and material handling, high-temperature sanitation and sterilization, ultrasonic cleaning, aqueous parts cleaning, and vapor degreasing. They're beneficial for such industries as aerospace, automotive, food processing, telecommunications, medical. View our stainless steel wire basket selection guide. Marlin Steel, your trusted wire basket manufacturer. As your custom wire basket manufacturer, Marlin Steel provides rapid global delivery of 100% USA-made products as part of our focus on quality engineered quick. We integrate industry expertise, extensive design and production services, a team of highly skilled degreed engineers, and state-of-the-art factory automation to produce custom metal forms with precision. As evidence of our commitment to quality, Marlin Steel is an ISO 9001:2015 certified and ISO 13485:2016 company, and upon request, we have our ASME BTH 1-2008 standard compliance form available. Look forward to collaborating with you closely.